Today we are going to read Hand in Hand, Poems about Friends. The more we get together, the more we get together, the more we get together, the happier we'll be. For your friends are my friends, and my friends are your friends. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. My dog, Rags. I have a dog, and his name is Rags. He eats so much that his tummy sags. His ears flip-flop and his tail wig-wags, and when he walks, he zig-zig-zags. Mary had a little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow. It followed her to school one day, school one day, school one day. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play. It made the children laugh and play to see a lamb at school. What do you see? Miss Colt, what do you see? I see a friend sitting next to me. Rig-a-jig-jig. As I was walking down the street, down the street, down the street, a very good friend I happened to meet. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Rig-a-jig-jig, and away we go, away we go, away we go. Rig-a-jig-jig, and away we go. Hi-ho, hi-ho, hi-ho. Gold ships. There are gold ships and there are silver ships, but there is no ship like a friendship. Make new friends. Make new friends, but keep the old. One is silver, the other gold. My friend. My hat is red, my coat is blue. I'm standing at the bus stop waiting for you. My friend. Jack and Jill. Jack and Jill went up the hill to fetch a pail of water. Jack fell down and broke his crown, and Jill came tumbling after. Mouse and Bumblebee. Every mouse and bumblebee, every squirrel up in a tree, every bird and ladybug loves to feel its mother's hug. Every bear so furry and funny loves its father more than honey. Merrily we skip along. Merrily we skip along, skip along, skip along. Merrily we skip along, happy to be friends. Betty Blue. Our friend Betty Blue has lost her favorite shoe. What will Betty do? Let's give her another to match the other. Then she will walk in two. My little dog. Oh where has my little dog gone? Oh where can he be? With his ears so short and his tail so long. Oh where can he be? Two pals. The big brown hen and Mrs. Duck went walking out together. They talked about all sorts of things, the farmyard and the weather, but all I heard was cluck, 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 and quack, quack, quack from Mrs. Duck. I like my friends. I like my friends and they play with me. We run and play and you'd agree, when all is said and all is done, they're just more fun than anyone. The end.